How to download Instagram Reels. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download Instagram Reels on your camera roll. So let's just begin. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Instagram application. Once you open up Instagram, you want to go over to the Reels section on the bottom of your navigation bar. Now, once you are on your Reels section, all you have to do is find the reel that you would like to download. So let's say if I just want to download this reel over here, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the share button. And then from there, you can just swipe to the side and find the download button. If you don't see the download button, then that means that the creator has turned off its downloads. So let's find another one. Go over to the same share button down here and just swipe to the right, and as you can see, I can find the download button over here. I can just go ahead and tap on download here, and it's going to automatically ask you to download the reel. So as you can see, the audio that the reel is using isn't available for download, so I'll just download the video for now and you're going to be good to go. So let me just quickly show you guys by opening up my camera roll. I'm going to go back here and open up gallery. You can see here this video been downloaded to my gallery. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the